Weatherbug.com meteorologist Addison Green here with your latest national forecast on this Saturday, where we can see that we had beautiful fall foliage coming across portions of the lower 48, like up towards Osceola in Michigan. Meanwhile, you see a snowy sight like this and it makes you wonder, did we just skip a season? But no, we have an early season snowstorm going on in portions of Wyoming, or was going on yesterday. Now that system is pulling out of the Intermountain West and now heading further to the east. So in the northwest, we have a new system approaching. It's going to be bringing around some heavy rain and some gusty winds for the next several days. And that storm system that brought the snow in Wyoming, yep, it's moving towards the central plains as a slow-moving cold front. And the northeast, mid-Atlantic, looking lovely. No complaints about that weather scenario. We did have a few reports of some wind and some hail damage across the central plains, and now we are going to be seeing the chance for severe weather diminish today, but still a lot of active weather nonetheless across portions of the lower 48. You can see right here that storm system coming ashore towards Washington and Oregon, and there's that slow-moving cold front moving across the plain states, eventually making its way towards the Mississippi River Valley and then further out to the east. And you can see that right here in the futurecast as it slides eastward. It kind of loses its oomph. But over here towards northwest, a lot of energy still going on, a lot of heavy rain showers coming in, especially along the I-5 corridor. And out towards the east coast, the high pressure giving you the nice weather for the next couple of days will eventually slowly back away. But the chance for seeing some rain will be out towards St. Louis, Little Rock, Houston, and especially out towards the northwest. Seattle looking at over 2 inches of rain. Flood concerns, oh yeah, they're definitely up there. Many places underneath flood advisories. Meanwhile, we have flash flood watches down here towards near Roseburg in Oregon, and we're going to keep those up for the next several days. And we can see we have windy conditions as well. Gusts can be nearly 60 miles per hour. Up ahead of the front, warm air. Behind the front, cool air. You can see we only have the 60s in the Dakotas, 80s up ahead of it towards the Ohio River Valley. In the northeast, lots of sun, and highs mainly in the 70s.